Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove letterhead from first page. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take some page with letterhead. Now we want to remove the first page letterhead. Go to the first page and go to layout menu, then click breaks drop down menu, then choose continuous, then double click on the letterhead text on first page, then go to the another page, then click link to previous, then go back the first page and delete the letterhead text, then close header and footer. Now we can see here we remove the letterhead on the first page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.